Good morning to you. This is the Monday, June the 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you here as we start off the day. And we have an unsettled weather setup continuing for us. Now, these are our highs from Sunday. It was a pretty hot and steamy day prior to the arrival of those big showers and thunderstorms late in the day on yesterday. And then we did wind up with some pretty big thunderstorms rumbling through the region. These are the storm reports from across the region yesterday, and certainly wound up with some pretty good activity that moved through parts of the Charlotte metro. A lot of wind damage reported through parts of Gaston and Mecklenburg up into Iredell counties, as well as we went through the afternoon and the evening hours yesterday. Now, this is the radar over the early morning hours. We've had this rain that's been pretty persistent through the night, continuing to move through the Piedmont zones. Excuse me, southern half of the Triad viewing area down to parts of the Charlotte viewing area, the upstate and the mountains. And I think this batch of rain will continue to feed in for a little while longer this morning, then probably a lull in the activity through midday before the next round of showers and thunderstorms develops a little bit later on into the day today. So you can just look across the southeast and see this is a really soupy air mass that's very supportive for shower and thunderstorm chances, and we're going to see just that. Here's the high resolution radar, the future radar product in terms of the high resolution rapid refresh modeling. You see these areas of showers and thunderstorms continuing to develop. We'll focus here on the Carolinas. This morning activity will diminish, maybe a bit of a lull around midday. And then here comes the next wave of these scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing to develop as we get to the afternoon and the evening hours. And we will need to monitor the severe weather potential. We do have a Category 1 marginal threat of severe weather over much of the region. Similar to yesterday, could be some what we call pulse type of severe storms with some wind and some hail with storms that briefly become severe. And certainly heavy rain could continue to be an issue as well. A lot of folks with saturated ground conditions and pretty effective rain producers, these showers and storms will be. So could be some flooding issues developing in some spots. So there you go. Trough out ahead of a cold front. Those features combining to give us pretty good opportunities for showers and thunderstorms today and into this evening. There's your highs across the region, so we'll just fly in and take a look at the Greensboro skycast today, and the result of today's weather will be a good deal of cloud cover, scattered showers and thunderstorms, Triad area high temperature around 80 degrees, Charlotte in the lower 80s, 70s for the mountain zones, evening showers and thunderstorms, and probably just a lot of lingering clouds through most of the night as the rain chances then diminish. Cold front slides in tomorrow. Now, I think a few showers could linger into tomorrow or the I-85 corridor, especially tomorrow morning. Better chances tomorrow for showers and storms in the eastern half of North and South Carolina due to the timing of this front. And there's our Tuesday highs. Behind this front, drier air takes hold. Look at the northerly flow in place for Wednesday. Looking at a partly sunny type of sky. Here's our Wednesday high temperatures. And it's going to be, in fact, that 83 in Charlotte might be a little bit generous and even cooler than for Thursday as this drier air settles in. We will crank up the heat again, though, over the upcoming weekend. Probably by Sunday, many of us 90 or better, once again, for highs. Tropical update time. Still not much happening across the Atlantic Basin. Things are relatively quiet here as we've gone through the past 24 hours. Whenever we do get our next named system, that name will be Brett, and it goes on down the list from there. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.